Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treat and thanks for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be making this popular delicious street food from Ghana called Kelewele. It's simply spicy fried ripe plantain. For the ingredients we need some ripe plantain, we need onion, chili powder, black pepper powder, ginger, grains of Selim, and some salt. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by chopping up our ginger and onion to blend. And to this, we'll be adding our grains of Selim and some water, and then blend it up. Next, we'll wash and peel our ripe plantain and then cut it up into smaller sizes. You can cut it up into any size of your choice. And guys, kindly subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet for amazing food related content. Next, we'll be adding our blended ingredients to our ripe plantain and then add our chili powder, add our black pepper powder and some salt. We'll then mix everything well together and proceed to deep fry this on medium heat. So in a pan, we'll pour some oil, and once this is hot, add some of our spicy ripe plantain. Do not turn it very early to enable the spicy coatings to stick onto it. So after some time, we'll turn it and then take it out when it turns golden brown. We'll then place it on a kitchen tissue to soak up the excess oil. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. You can have this with some peanuts or jollof rice or even fried rice. Kindly check out my jollof and fried rice recipes and you will absolutely love it. Kindly subscribe and turn on your notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like, share, and comment. Until I come your way again, it's bye!